Something happened to me yesterday and I slept with tears. But I dreamt something that made me remember my God. And I woke up this morning with this lovely song. Even when I don't see it, you working. Even when I don't feel it, you working. You never stop working. You never stop working. Even when I don't know it, you working. Even when I don't plan it, you working. You never stop, Jesus, you never stop working. Your day is blessed. Your day is blessed. Your day is blessed. Go and conquer, because there is a God who has prepared, who has planned it always ahead of you. God bless you.